Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best hair removal waxing kits on the market. Whether you're a seasoned pro or new to waxing, these kits offer a variety of unique features and benefits to suit your needs and budget. I've done a ton of research, reviewed countless reviews, and carefully selected these products from trusted brands to help you make an informed decision. In this video, we'll take a closer look at each kit, including their price, features, and benefits. So, if you're looking to achieve smooth hair-free skin at home, keep watching. Let's get started. Number 1. KOTAMU Digital Wax Warmer Kit for Hair Removal, At-Home Waxing Kit for Women's Sensitive Skin Brazilian Facial Hair Body, with 4 formulas. Hard wax beads target different types of hair. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the KOTAMU Digital Wax Warmer Kit for Hair Removal. This is an at-home waxing kit that promises salon-grade hair removal results that last up to 6 weeks. First off, I want to talk about why hard wax is a better choice for sensitive spots like the Bikini or Brazilian area. Hard wax only sticks to the hair and not the skin, which means less pain and discomfort. This kit is also great for any waxing newbies out there who may be intimidated by the process. One of the things I love about this kit is that it only takes 10 minutes to heat up. It also has an automatic keep warm function, which ensures that the wax stays ready to use at all times. The innovative PTC heating technology also provides more uniform heating, which means that the wax melts evenly and doesn't crack or go brittle. This kit is also great for full-body hair removal. The gentle and soothing formula is perfect for sensitive skin and can be used on the face, chest, back, arms and legs. The light and pleasant scent is also a nice touch. Another great thing about this product is that it comes with a 1-year manufacturer warranty. So, if you're outside of the return window and need a replacement, you can reach out to the company directly through Amazon. Using this kit is also very easy. All you have to do is rotate the knob to your desired temperature, and the wax will be ready to use in just one step. The detailed PDF guide that comes with the kit also provides helpful tips and instructions for first-time users. I have to say, I'm really impressed with this kit. I've used it on several body parts, including my legs and armpits, and I've been able to achieve a natural, smooth look and feel. The wax is able to remove all the hair in one strip, and I haven't experienced any dark residue from the hair. All in all, I highly recommend the KOTAMU Digital Wax Warmer Kit for hair removal. It's easy to use, gentle on the skin, and provides salon-grade results. I'll leave a link in the description box below for anyone who's interested in purchasing this kit. Say yes to natural, smooth look and feel. Number 2. Maxpearl Digital Waxing Kit Women Men Hard Wax Warmer Kit for Hair Removal Sensitive Skin, Eyebrows, Face, Underarms, Brazilian, Bikini, Legs. Today, I am going to be reviewing the Maxpearl Hair Removal Waxing Kit for home use. This kit includes a digital wax machine, 4 bags of non-strip wax beads, and 20 wooden spatulas, 10 for small areas and 10 for large areas. It's great for both beginners and estheticians. The digital wax warmer has a new LCD display that offers precise temperature control, so you don't have to worry about overheating or burning. The machine is made with heat-resistant ABS material for safe application. The 500cc removable aluminum wax pot is perfect for melting all types of wax, hard or soft, wax beads, and wax locks. The kit also includes 4 different formula wax refills that are suitable for all hair and skin types. You can remove everything from thick, coarse to fine hairs, and even short to shave hairs. There's a cream wax for eyebrows, face, upper lip, and chin, a lavender wax for bikini area, and 2 jasmine blue waxes for back, arms, underarms, legs, and especially for coarse hair waxing. One thing I love about this kit is that it is formulated with natural and sensitive skin-approved ingredients to minimize irritation and prevent common side effects, such as stinging, redness, burns, and more. It's a waxing kit that's perfect for those with sensitive skin. The heating element in this wax machine is also fast and efficient. It can melt a 3.5 ounces wax beads bag in just 10 minutes, which is perfect for doing a speed waxing at home. Most areas on the body can be waxed as long as the hair will allow, such as the eyebrows, upper lip, chin, arms, back, chest, stomach, legs, and bikini area. However, the pain associated with waxing differs from person to person. If you have a sensitive skin, remember that any pain is very minor and very temporary. This kit is suitable for both women and men, and it can keep your skin hair free for up to 3 to 5 weeks. However, results can vary with each person due to different hair types and how frequently you wax. Overall, I am impressed with the Maxpearl Hair Removal Waxing Kit. It offers a lot of value for the price, it's easy to use, and it's perfect for both beginners and estheticians. It's a great option for those looking to do waxing at home. I highly recommend it. Number 3. Waxing Kit Anruz Digital Wax Warmer Hair Removal Kit 5 bags multiple formulas hard wax speeds 17.5 ounces total target different type of hair at home wax kit for bikini, Brazilian legs armpit face full body waxing. Hello everyone, welcome to my review of the Anruz Digital Hard Wax Warmer and multiple formulas hard wax speeds. This is a hair removal kit that promises to provide accurate temperature control and reduce pain during the waxing process. First, let's talk about the Digital Hard Wax Warmer. It features intelligent digital temperature control and an LED light display, making it easy to know when the wax has reached the correct temperature. This means no more burning your skin with overly hot wax. The kit also comes with 2 scented types of hard wax beans, lavender and jasmine. The wax is formulated to grip directly to the hair, not the skin, which results in a 90 to 99% effectiveness rate and a 50% reduction in pain. This makes it suitable for all hair types, whether coarse or fine. One of the main benefits of using this hard wax is that it extracts hair from the roots, slowing down hair growth and resulting in a hairless effect for 4 to 6 weeks. This is especially useful for those hard to remove hairs. The Anruz Full Body Waxing Kit is a complete starter kit and includes 5 bags of hard wax, 3.5 ounces each, pre-wax oil, post-wax oil, 10 large and 10 brow applicators, and a how-to-wax guide. The hard wax formula is safe for all skin types and hair types. The kit also comes with a 100% satisfaction guarantee, so if for any reason you're not satisfied with the product, you can get a full refund or replacement. Overall, I am impressed with the Anruz Digital Hard Wax Warmer and multiple formulas hard wax beads. The digital temperature control and LED light display make it easy to use, and the multiple formulas of hard wax beads provide options for different hair types. The kit also includes everything you need for a complete waxing experience at home, saving you money on salon visits. I would definitely recommend this product to anyone looking for a convenient and effective at-home hair removal solution. Number 4. Waxing Kit Wax Warmer Iskap Wax Kit Hair Removal 6 Adjustable Temperature with 5 packs hard wax beads and 20 PCS wooden applicator sticks painless for legs, face, underarm, bikini, Brazilian. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the Iskap Wax Warmer. I've never used this product before, so I'm really excited to give it a try and share my thoughts with you all. First off, let's talk about the design of this wax warmer. It's made with 100% copper wire and molded in durable ABS heat-assistant material, which makes it heat up twice as fast as normal wax warmers. That's definitely a plus for anyone who's short on time and wants to get their waxing done quickly. Another thing I love about this wax warmer is that it's suitable for most types of wax. Whether you're using hard wax, canned wax, wax beads, Brazilian wax, or wax block, this warmer can handle it all. The adjustable heat options are also a great feature. With 6 levels of temperature, ranging from 160 to 240, you can customize the heat to your liking. Plus, the red light indicates when the wax is heating and the green light indicates when the power is on. One of the best things about this wax warmer is that it's gentle on sensitive skin, with a success rate of 85 to 99% without any side effects. Plus, waxing hair removal extracts hair from the root, resulting in slower growth, so you can enjoy 3 to 6 weeks of hairless life. Iskap is a brand that's dedicated to beauty and personal care, and offers a wide range of products to users around the world. They also have a range of nail products, so you can enjoy a nail salon experience anytime. Overall, I am really impressed with the Iskap Wax Warmer. It's quick, efficient, and great for different types of wax. I highly recommend it. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this product or if you have any questions. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Number 5. Waxing Kit Keshi Wax Warmer Hair Removal Home Wax Kit with 16.8 ounces 6 bags hard wax beans for legs, face, eyebrows, bikini, Brazilian waxing kit for women, men. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Keshi Home Waxing Kit for women. This kit includes everything you need for a salon-like waxing experience at home. The kit comes with a 500 milliliters electric wax warmer, 6 different wax beads and scents like chamomile, cream, rose, blackberry, honey, and lavender, 20 wax applicator sticks, 3 small bowls for nose wax, a step-by-step guide, tweezers, and scissors. One of the things I love about this kit is that it's made with premium quality, safe materials. The wax warmer is made of heat-resistant ABS material and copper wire, and it has an overheat protection function for added safety. The wax beads are made with natural plant ingredients, making them perfect for sensitive skin. I also really appreciate that this kit comes with detailed instructions, making it easy for even a beginner to use. I found that the wax melted smoothly and spread easily, and it did a great job of removing hair from all over my body, including my legs, arms, bikini line, and face. I also really like that the wax beads come in different scents, making the experience more pleasant. One thing to keep in mind when using this kit is to test the wax on a small patch of skin first to make sure your skin is not overly sensitive to the wax. And it's also important to test the wax temperature before applying, to make sure it's not too hot. It's also recommended that hair should be about 1/4 inch long for the best results. Anything to keep in mind is that it's not recommended to use water or alcohol to clean up the residual wax after hair removal, and to soothe your skin with an aloe lotion to calm redness and irritation after waxing session. Overall, I'm really impressed with the Keshi Home Waxing Kit. It's a great option for anyone looking to save money on salon visits and achieve salon-like results at home. Plus, the kit comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee and a 12-month replacement, so you can try it out with confidence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Click the add to cart and prepare for the summer. You won't regret it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and comment below. Check out the description to find the product links.